Hello everyone! Are you curious about the maintenance cost of the Tesla Cybertruck? Let's delve into it. The maintenance costs of the Tesla Cybertruck are expected to be significantly lower than those of traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. For example, while a typical gasoline-powered truck might incur around $1,000 to $2,000 annually in maintenance, the Cybertruck's maintenance expenses could be as low as $300 to $500 per year. One significant factor contributing to the reduced maintenance costs is the absence of traditional combustion engine components such as spark plugs, fuel filters, and oil changes. Electric vehicles like the Cybertruck do not require oil changes, which alone can save owners hundreds of dollars per year. Moreover, the regenerative braking system in the Cybertruck helps extend the lifespan of brake pads and discs. By minimizing wear and tear. Tesla's over-the-air software updates allow for remote diagnostics and troubleshooting, potentially identifying issues before they escalate and reducing the need for physical service. While specific maintenance costs for the Cybertruck may vary depending on factors such as driving habits and environmental conditions, owners can expect substantially lower maintenance expenses compared to traditional trucks. In conclusion, the maintenance costs of the Tesla Cybertruck are anticipated to be significantly lower due to its electric drivetrain and advanced technology features. This makes the Cybertruck an attractive option for individuals looking to minimize ongoing maintenance expenses while enjoying the benefits of an electric vehicle. Please follow the channel for more Cybertruck-related videos, and see you later. Goodbye.